y'all, so now it's time. I'm gonna go ahead and start putting this what I have together. I still have a few more panels. This is just gonna be the outside portion. Then I still have inside portion, right? So I have these little flashing pieces that's going to go on the inside, and then I have some of the timber locks. These are 4-inch screws that I'm going to be doing on the outside, screwing the panels together. Probably an overkill, but hey, it is what it is. And I'll probably go ahead and put this to music. A lot of this that I'm doing, I do have a neighbor that's riding around on a little scooter. It's kind of loud. Plus we're next to the freeway, so that's a little loud too. All right, but let's go check it out. So I originally bought this flashing to go actually on the inside to give it just a little more stability. Not Tito, yes, he's here helping. But I didn't use nowhere near as many as I thought I was going to, and I'm probably not even going to use them on the inner part of this. So for the ones that I have left over, I'm going to go ahead and dress up the front corners, just so you don't see this gap. PayPal. I'm going to end this portion of the build right here. I do actually need to cut up a few more timbers. I have 2 more walls that go this way, and then 2 more walls that go that way that connect to this wall here. This will also come out roughly here ish, 2 feet. All right, so if you guys wouldn't mind, check out some of the links down in the description. PayPal, we have our Etsy, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. We're there. Don't check it a whole lot. All right, and we'll see y'all next one. Bye bye now.